Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create an advanced PowerPoint presentation template in just 2 minutes. Yes, you're hearing right, okay? So let's start. First is you need to open your Google Chrome and at the window search bar, please type Canva and you'll be redirected here. So the moment you'll be redirected here, please make sure that you have signed in your account, okay? Once done, you can simply select here the list of options. And since we'll be making a PowerPoint presentation, then let's go to the third option, which is presentation. Click that to open. Okay, so once you're here, just have to wait everything to load. Now look at the left side of your screen. It has these different options. It goes with design elements, text, brands, and more. And this time, we will be going to design. And the moment you click that, it will shows all of the presentations, creative and wonderful presentations that you can use free. Yes. Let's say, for example, let's go with this group project. Just simply click that and just have to wait. Okay, and then apply all 12 pages and click this arrow to expand. Okay, here just have to wait all the 13 pages to load. Okay, so once it is done, just can simply edit this by simply clicking here and rename that. And each of this template is, you can edit each of this template. So in just 2 minutes, you have just created a very wonderful, gorgeous, nice presentation in your Windows. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.